The Ways and Whys of Recycling is sponsored by Rumpke, the recycling leader.
Hello, I'm Jeff Snyder, Director of Recycling at Rumpke Waste and Recycling, and today I want to talk to you about our new Resource and Recycling Center right here in Franklin County. While our current Columbus facility does a really amazing job the way it is today, we're looking to grow the future of recycling. Some of the things we're looking for is how we advance the technology in the MRF to be able to bring Columbus and the state of Ohio to be one of the greenest cities in the nation. We want to educate people on what happens to material when they put it in the bin and they make that decision to recycle from the time it's made back into a new product and then everything in between. That recycling, just because you put it in the bin, does not go to the landfill. It truly goes to a recycling facility. We're looking to have an open door forum where people can come into our MRF, enjoy themselves, and really understand what recycling is all about. This facility would truly be a destination and be able to set the standard about going deeper into the stream and understanding exactly what recycling is all about. You can learn more about this project and recycling by visiting rumpke.com. Rumpke is the recycling leader.
The Ways and Whys of Recycling is sponsored by Rumpke, the recycling leader.